Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You will open Medibang Paint and begin without delay. First, create a new file, pick dimensions and DPI, 300 for print, 72 for web, and set an aspect like 16:9. Once the canvas appears, lock the background layer so it stays intact, then add a fresh layer for sketching. Use the pencil tool at a low opacity to lay down rough shapes. This gives you flexibility. Make sure to name layers clearly as you go so you can find elements fast. Now refine your artwork by switching to a pen or vector layer for crisp linear. Increase the stabilizer for steadier strokes. Once you have clean lines, add a layer beneath for flat colors. Use the magic wand to select areas, then bucket fill. Expand the selection by a few pixels if needed to avoid gaps. Create additional layers for shading and highlights. Use clipping or multiply mode for shadows, and organize groups so edits remain non-destructive. Finish by cleaning edges, checking composition, and adjusting levels or curves to boost contrast. Once satisfied, merge visible layers only if you no longer need edits. Export as PNG for web or PSD to preserve layers. Choose 300 DPI for print jobs. If performance becomes sluggish, reduce canvas resolution or rasterize complex layers, and increase tool stabilizer to smooth strokes. Make sure to save incremental versions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.